everyone. Welcome back to the English Flow podcast. I am your host, Zoe. I am so happy you are listening today. Today, we have a very important topic. It is about how to introduce yourself. This is the first thing we do when we meet new people. And today, my friend Leo is here with me. Hi, Leo.
Hi, Zoe. Hello, everyone. Thank you for having me. I am very excited to talk about this. Introducing yourself sounds easy, but sometimes it is difficult when you are learning a new language.
Yes, you are right, Leo. When someone says, "Tell me about yourself," sometimes we forget what to say. Let's start with the basics. Leo, when you meet someone for the first time, what is the first thing you say?
Well, I always start with my name. I say, "Hi, I'm Leo," or "Hello, my name is Leo." It's simple and friendly.
That is perfect. And after the name, we usually talk about where we are from. I can say, "I'm from London," or "I come from a small town in England."
That is good. It gives the other person some information. They can ask, "Oh, do you like London?" or "Is it cold there?" It helps the conversation to start.
Exactly. At the A2 level, we don't need very long sentences. Simple is better. "I'm Zoe. I'm from a big city." This is clear and easy to understand.
I agree. Another thing people ask is about our age, but sometimes we don't want to say our exact age. We can just say, "I'm in my 20s," or "I'm 30 years old."
True. And then we talk about our family a little bit. For example, "I have one brother," or "I live with my parents."
Yes, these are the basic steps: name, home, and maybe your family. It's like building a small house with words.
Now, let's continue our talk. After we say our name and where we live, people usually ask, "What do you do?" This means they want to know about your job or your studies.
Right. I usually say, "I am a teacher." Or, if you are a student, you can say, "I am a student at university."
And if you don't have a job right now, that is okay too. You can say, "I am looking for a job," or "I am staying at home with my children."
Exactly. The most important thing is to be honest and keep it simple. But Zoe, what about hobbies? I love talking about hobbies.
Me too. Hobbies are the best way to make friends. I can say, "In my free time, I like listening to music," or "I love cooking Italian food."
Those are great examples. I usually say, "I am interested in photography," or "I like playing football on weekends."
See, now I know something fun about you, Leo. I can ask you about your camera or your favorite football team.
That is the secret of a good introduction. You give a little information, and then the other person can ask a question. But wait, we must not forget to ask them too.
Oh, yes, that is very important. After you finish speaking, you should say, "And you?" or "What about you?"
Yes, it shows that you are a good listener. If I say, "I like coffee," and then I ask, "Do you like coffee too?" the conversation keeps moving.
It makes the other person feel happy because you are interested in them. Introducing yourself is not a solo performance, it's a duet.
A duet. I like that word. It means two people making music together. Or, in this case, two people making a conversation.
We are having such a good time today. Now, let's help our listeners practice. We are going to do our shadowing session. This is very important for your pronunciation.
This means to tell someone your name for the first time. To introduce yourself.
This means the place where you were born or where you live. To be from.
This is what you do in your free time for fun. A hobby.
This is a simple question to ask the other person. What about you?
This means to start a conversation with someone new. To meet someone.
Great job. Let's do it one more time. Remember to speak clearly.
To tell your name. To introduce yourself.
Your home country or city. To be from.
Things you do for fun. A hobby.
Asking the other person. What about you?
Meeting a new person. To meet someone.
You did it. Well done, everyone. Introducing yourself is the first step to many new adventures in English.
Yes, do not be afraid to speak. Every time you say, "Hello, my name is," you are getting better and better.
Thank you so much for joining me today, Leo. It was a very helpful conversation.
Thank you, Zoe. It was a pleasure.
And thank you to all our listeners. Keep practicing your introduction. Tell your story to the world. We will see you in the next episode. And remember, stay in the flow.